If you're looking to waterproof your metal roof and you're looking for a simple, quick, cost-effective solution to do that, then you're in luck. Because in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to do that using the Sanitred waterproofing products for metal roofs. To waterproof a metal roof, you only need 3 products. The first is Permaflex. Permaflex is used as a primer and the top coat. Permaflex is a flexible liquid rubber ultra adhesive coating that penetrates the pores of the concrete to achieve a permanently adhered moisture barrier. Now, number 2, liquid rubber base, also known as LRB, used to seal cracks and joints to create a 100% waterproof membrane. It is easy to apply and will cure at any thickness. LRB's viscosity can be adjusted from a self-leveling fluid to a thickened mixture of any viscosity in between by adding Sanitred's thickening activator, which brings us to number 3. Thickening activator, also known as TAV. TAV gives great application flexibility to Sanitred's liquid rubber base, LRB. TAV is specifically designed to blend with LRB to adjust the viscosity from a self-leveling fluid or a thickened mixture, putty, or chalk-like consistency. TAV is mixed with LRB at a 2-to-1 ratio. 2 parts LRB can be mixed with 1 part TAV, will create the thickest mixture possible. Less TAV can be used to create a runnier mixture. The LRB and TAV mixture is used to patch and seal joints, cracks, holes, seams, and is also used to profile rough areas, whether vertical, horizontal, or even inverted. So now that we know the products, let's go on to the steps. There's 4 simple steps to the Sanitred system. They are prepare, prime, patch, and top coat. Step 1, prepare. First, remove any loose, crumbling material. Make sure that the substrate is clean, dry, and free of any previously applied product or foreign matter. Now on to step number 2, prime. Apply 1 coat of Permaflex applied at a rate of 240 square feet per gallon using a brush or roller. Now on to step 3, patch. Now we're on to step 4, top coat. Top coat when your LRB or TAV is tacky enough to apply without smearing. Apply your final coat of Permaflex using a roller at a rate of 240 square foot per gallon. So those are the steps, and it's that simple. But still, if you have any questions, you can leave your comment right below and we'll get back to you right away, or you can call us at 866-784-3308. So now is the time to take action today and eliminate ever having to deal with or worrying about a leaking roof again. To order the simple 3 products mentioned in this video to waterproof your roof, you can click the link right below, fill out the information, and you can have your products sent to you right away, or you can call us at 866-784-3308 and you can order through us directly. Either if you call us or you use the website, either way, we'll have those 3 products sent out to you and you'll finally have your roof waterproofed permanently for good. And we also have a lifetime warranty. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll talk to you again very soon.